Yo, let's go fam, my name's Tommy and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about Tensor, which is a leading NFT marketplace on the Solana blockchain. They have just introduced price lock where you can long and short NFTs. I'm going to explain all that to you in this video. So if you like this kind of content, then please like the video and just like the color of my hat, it'll turn grey. So here we are in Tensor.trade. All the links will be in the description of the video, and it is Solana's leading NFT marketplace. So here it is. Number one, the collection is Tensorians, which is their platform's PFP project, which looks amazing pixel art, which we'll have a look at in a minute. But the whole website itself looks very, very good. I like all the dark mode colors. You don't even have to change it into dark mode. Like compared to OpenSea, I really, really like it. I like the fonts and everything. It looks really good. And I have a 0% loyalty. But the Tensorians are the PFP pixel project. Look, they're trading for just under 80 Solana currently, which is probably like around 8,000 US dollars. Look at them though. They do look incredible. Got to appreciate some fine pixel art here because they do look so blue chip, and I would definitely rock this as a BFP if I had one, but I don't, and I would love to get one, but they're a bit out of my price range. I only got a little bit of Jupiter airdrop, not enough to afford one. So I'm just going to talk to you about the rewards, because if you have one of the Tensorians, literally you can stake it, and then you're not a wannabe, you'll be a number one, which you move up and you get a boost and you get points per days and everything. And literally, like, you can fund the locks to get more points, which is where you short or long the NFTs, and you'll get points and you'll get put into a raffle every day to potentially earn one of those Tensorians. So that's why I'm going to switch some Solana from my Phantom into my Magic Eden, and I'm going to explore this over the weekend, put in some longs and put in some shorts, because I do find it really, really interesting. So I'd want to earn some points. I'll leave you a referral link in the description of the video again if you want to use that. That's amazing. That'll help me out. Thank you. And literally I'm going to start funding, and then when you come on to the lock section, price lock, and then you can go on purchase locks. So if you want to go on the crypto undeads, you can go long and it will charge you 0.34 Solana. So the floor price is locked for 7 days at whatever price it is now. So is it 6.77 Solana? And if it goes up to the first multiplier, which is around 8 something Solana, you'll get a profit of 0.4 Solana. And if they run really fast, because you've longed it, it goes up to like 8.8 Solana, you'll get 1.13 profit. And then if it goes really high to nearly 10 or whatever Solana, you're going to get a 2.6 Solana payout. Obviously, if it drops below, then you're going to get nothing and you'll lose your 0.34, but that's the most you can lose, even if it goes to 4 Solana or obviously 0, which it could do. But I don't think crypto undeads are going to go to 0. For me, I'm pretty bullish on them. But again, the Jupiter airdrop, they haven't really been like moved much. Nothing's really moved in the NFT space that much, and I thought with all that liquidity. But I do want to put some longs in, but I'm not sure about the crypto undeads. So the same with short. If you go on short, you're bearish on it. Obviously, it's that simple. Long means you're bullish on it. Short means you're bearish on it. So you've locked in your short at this price, 6.45 Solana. And then obviously if it drops down to whatever that is, 6 Solana or 5.8 or whatever, again, you're going to profit and profit and profit the lower it goes down in value. But from today's date, when you put in your short or your long, you have 7 days time frame. So that's why I'm going to put mine in on Saturday, which is tomorrow for me, and then run it till next Saturday. So I'm going to think about all my longs, my shorts, and what I want to do, and then go into my Magic Eden wallet, which I've hardly been using, just downloaded it, and going to sort of put in some longs and shorts, because I find it really, really interesting, and I want to earn some of the reward points and hopefully earn one of those absolutely amazing Tensorians, because I want to rock it as my PFP. And come into Twitter, you want to follow them on Twitter, because all the alpha is here. Literally price lock, blah 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 blah, you can just literally come through here, read their thread, they explain it all, go short, number go down, bank profit, la 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 la. Yep, looks good to me. I really like it. I like their platform. And compared to OpenSea, I'm so bored of OpenSea. You know, that it looks like Facebook. I know you can go onto light darker mode, but it's like, I like Magic Eden, I like Solana. There's a lot of things happening in the Solana ecosystem with the When token airdrop, which I got, and then I got a Jupiter airdrop, and then it's like a snowball of things. There's going to be more and more Solana airdrops in the future. Like, I'm going to order a Solana phone and all this kind of stuff because of the ecosystem is expanding, and I see a lot of potential in it because of the gas fees being so cheap. So if you like this kind of content, you made it to the end of the video, please like the video because that really helps me out, and subscribe to my channel if you like me enough. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.